Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikramra from Welcome Public School. It is a school situated in Goramazar. On last day, we have learned exercise 1, that is large numbers. And in large numbers, we have learned 4-digit numbers, place value expanded form, comparing numbers, ordering of numbers, Roman numbers and forming numbers, and many more topics we have learned on last day. But today we are going to launch topic chapter 2 addition. Okay, so today we will learn how we can add numbers of 3 digits, and also we will learn addition fact. So come on the topic without wasting our time. Firstly, we have discussed about addition fact. What are addition facts? Addition facts. First one is in addition fact. First one is numbers can be added in any order. Their sum will remain the same. Okay, numbers can be added in any order. Numbers can be added in any order. Their sum will remain the same. Okay, and you know that the sum is always greater than the numbers being added. You know that the sum is always greater than the number being added, and this is not true if one of the two numbers is 0. Okay, so now come on the addition fact. First, numbers can be added in any order. Their sum will remain the same, as like 3 plus 7 is equal to 10, and also add 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So, first addition fact is numbers can be added in any order, their sum will remain the same. Okay, you can see here when we add 3 and 7, that is 10, and when we add 7 and 3, it also 10. Okay, now come on the next addition fact, that is when 1 is added to a number. Second one is when 1 is added to a number. When 1 is added to a number, the sum is the number after that means successor. Okay, successor means you know that if you find successor of any number, then you have to add 1 to this number. Okay, so we have when 1 is added to a number, the sum is the number after that means successor. Okay, so 18 plus 1, that is 19, and you know that 19 is successor of 18. And also you can say that 19 is 1 more than 18. In other words, you can say that 19 comes after 18. Okay, so now come on the next addition fact, that is when 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. Next one is, and you know that 19 is the successor of 18. 19 is the successor of 19 is the successor of 18. 19 is the successor of 18. Okay, and the next addition fact is that is when 0 is added to a number. When 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. When 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. As like 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. And 0 plus 51 is equal to 51. So you can see here that when 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. Okay. Now come on the next topic, that is addition by expanding numbers. Addition by expanding numbers. Addition by expanding. Addition by expanding numbers. Addition by expanding numbers. Okay, addition by expanding numbers. In this topic we will learn how we can add two numbers with expanding. Okay, so come on the topic, that is example, that is find 45 plus 23. 45 plus 23. So firstly we have to expand 45 and 23. 45 plus 23. When we expand 45, that is 40 plus 5. And when we expand 23, that is 20 plus 3. And now we can add them. 5 ones, you know that 5 ones plus 3 ones, that is 8 ones, and 2 tens plus 4 tens, that is 6 tens. Okay, so 60 plus 8 is equal to 68. Okay, break 45 into 40 and 5, and break 23 into 20 plus 3. Okay, and now you can add. Now come on, next question is add 64 and 55. Add 64 and 35. Add 64 and 35. 64 plus 35. Break 64 into 60 plus 4. Break 64 into 60 plus 4, and 35 into 30 plus 5. And 4 ones plus 5 ones, that is 9 ones, and 6 tens plus 3 tens, that is 9 tens. Okay, so that is answer is 99. Now the next topic is adding 3-digit number. Now the next topic is adding 3-digit numbers. Adding 3-digit numbers. Adding 3-digit numbers. Okay, in adding 3-digit number, first topic is addition without regrouping. First topic is addition without regrouping. Addition without regrouping. Addition without regrouping. In this topic, there is an example: add 46 and 456 and 231 and 231. Add 456 and 231. 100 times ones. 456 plus 231. On ones place, when we add, firstly in first step, add the ones, that is 6 ones plus 1 1, that is 7 ones. Okay, in step 2, add the tens. 5 tens plus 3 tens, that is 8 tens. And in step 3rd, add the 100. 400 plus 200, that is 600. So the answer is 687. Okay, now the next topic is addition with regrouping. Addition with regrouping. Addition with regrouping. Addition with regrouping. Okay, in addition with regrouping, first one is regrouping tens. Regrouping tens. Regrouping tens. In regrouping tens, we are going to learn how we can regroup 10. There is an example: add 236, add 236 and 147. 147. When we write them in column, 100 times ones, 236 plus 147. Now in step first, add the ones. 6 ones plus 7 ones, that is 13 ones, and regroup 13 ones into 1 10 and 3 ones and carry over 1 10 to the tens column. In step 4, add the ones 6 ones plus 7 ones, that is 13 ones. Regroup 13 ones into 1 10 3 ones. Okay, and here will be 3 ones and carry over 1 to the tens column. Carry over 1 10 to the tens column. Okay, now add the tens. 3 tens plus 4 tens, 7 tens, and 1 carried over, that is 8 tens. So there will be 8. And in step 3rd, add the hundreds, 200 plus 100, that is 300. So the answer is 383. Now the next topic is regrouping hundreds. That was regrouping ones, and now the next one is regrouping tens. Find the sum of 172 plus 144. Okay, when we write in column 100, tens, ones, 172 and plus 144. To in step first add the ones, 2 ones plus 4 ones, that is 6 ones. And in step 2 add the tens, 7 tens plus 4 tens, that is 11 tens, and regroup 11 tens into 100 and 1 ten. Okay, and carry over 100 to the hundreds column, that is 7 for 11, 1 carry, and here will be 1 carry. And now add the hundreds, that is 1 carried over to the hundreds column, 1 1 2 2 1 3. So the answer is 316. Now the next topic is regrouping hundreds. Regrouping hundreds. Regrouping hundreds. Okay, so there is an example. Add 758 plus 531, and write in column 100 tens, ones, 758 plus 531, 819. Add the ones, 8 ones plus 1 1, that is 9 ones. Add the tens, 5 tens plus 3 tens, that is 8 tens. And add the hundreds, 700 plus 500, that is 12 hundreds. Okay, so regroup 12 hundreds into 1200s. Okay, now adding, regrouping ones, tens and hundreds. Regrouping ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, there is an example given. Find the sum of 112, 425 and 699. When we write in column 100 tens and ones, 112, 435 and 699. In step first add the ones, 2 ones plus 5 ones, 7 ones, 7 plus 9, 7 and 16 ones. Okay, so 16 ones, that is regroup 16 ones into 1 tens and 6 ones and carry over 1 10 to the tens column, that is 2 5 7 9 16, 1 carry. And now add the tens and 1 carried over from ones. So 1 plus 3 plus 9, that is 1 1 2 2 3 5 5 9 5 9 14. So regroup 14 tens into 104 tens and carry over 100 to the hundreds place. So 1 1 2 2 3 2 3 5 5 9 14 4 1 carry and carry over 100 to the 100 column. And now add the hundreds and 1 carried over to the from tens. 1 1 2 2 4 6 6 6 12. So the answer is 1246. Thank you for watching the video. Keep continue it. We'll meet with new topic on next day.